Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chino Rodriguez, Mama Sagali Channel, a faith healer o Zomatarder. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is the special gabay for the month of May 25 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. Angel Spirit, please give information paano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap. Alamin at tuklasin. So there's a Ten of Pentacles. So there's a long-term success and long-term investment. So may pangmatagalan dito na finances, no? Security. And of course, there's a the Queen of Pentacles. So there's a practicality. So kailangan maging practical ka, ha? Okay, there's a something inheritance. Okay, may minana daw dito. No, maaari nga, kumbaga maging practical ka sa mga bagay na nakuha mo. No, sa mga minana mo or nakuha mo dun sa mga lupain nyo. Additional messages. So there's an Ace of Swords with a mental clarity. No? Maging matalino sa mga desisyon, maging, kumbaga, okay, may mga bagay na malilinaw ka daw dito. Okay. May mga bagay na lilinawin daw sa'yo. No? And there's a Ten of Wands, so something burden, no? Marami kang pinagdaanan na mga sakripisyo at mabibigat na obligasyon. So there's the Knight of Wands by slow and steady, no? Gamay-gamayan mo lang, wag masyado pinipressure yung sarili mo. And there's the Sun card with a pure positive outcome. So maaaring there's a success and unti-unti talagang liliwanagin sa iyo lahat ng mga kaganapan o respeto sa buhay mo. So let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. Represent the death card. So there's the ending, you see? May makukuha ka nga dun sa inheritance or pagkamatay o yumaong mahal mo sa buhay. And this is the death card for a transformation, no? So let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. So there's on the King of Cups. So there's a devoted for the person. So maaaring, kumbaga, maging practical ka o maging, o pangalagaan mo yung mga bagay na nakuha mo or may mga bagay na nakamit mo or pagdating sa finances. Maging, kumbaga, practical ka. There's a lot of offer coming in for you with the Two of Cups. So there's a partnership na maaaring magkakaroon ka ng kumbaga higher level of commitment, engagement, proposal. No, there's a partnership on the unconditional love. Maaaring magkaroon ka ng something mental kumbaga mental clarity. And of course there's a Ten of Wands with the Empress card. So there's a revert, no? Kumbaga maaaring kumbaga magkaroon ka ng pagbubuntis, no? Para magkaroon ka ng bagong negosyo or bagong trabaho. Or either, kumbaga, bumuo ka na pamilya dito. There's a something obligation. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. So, there's the lovers. Talaga may love life. Involved talaga love life mo dito, guys. Talaga may bagong pag-ibig. Kumbaga, bago pa lang yung pag-aasawa yung dalawa, no? Or maaaring, kumbaga, nagkakapaan pa kayong dalawa, no? Together with your husband and wife, and of course with the partnership. So there's a Five of Swords. Maging aware ka lang sa mga gagawin mo actions. So nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dito, that because of your actions, no? Because of your mindset of thoughts. What is the Ten of Pentacles and of course the Death card? What is the Ten of Pentacles and the Death card? So represent the Knight of Pentacles. So there's a security. Maging secure ka, no, sa mga bagay na nakuha mo, minana mo, mga bagay na nakamit mo. There's a Knight of Cups with the wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na matutupad na dito. Unti-unti tutuparin yung mga pangarap mo. The Ace of Swords and of course the Two of Cups represent the Ace of Cups. So there's an offer talaga with love, guys. No, there's a new romance, bagong pag-ibig. No, maaring kumbaga maliwanagan ka na itong tao tayo talaga na ito pang matagalan talaga, no, ipaglalaban. So let's see what is the Ten of Wands and the Empress card for the Six of Pentacles. So there's a give and take. Okay, so there's a giving, receiving something by the universe mo. Maaaring may matatanggap ka sa ating poong may kapal, maaaring magbubuntis ka talaga. So let's see what is the Knight of Wands and because the Lovers. And because there is the King of Swords with wise decision. No, pagdating sa love, slow and steady, no, kailangan no hindi parang kanin lang na isusubo yan. Kailangan kapain, gamayan, no, kilalanin, no, bago mo pasukin yung isang bagay na alam mong walang labasan. The Sun card and across that, Five of Swords represent the Hermit card. So there's the soul searching and soul enlightenment. So ibig sabihin dito maging aware ka about sa spiritual mo dahil sa mga bagay o pinaniniwalaan mo. Ikaw din yung gumagawa ng isang bagay na ikasasama mo. No? Kaya maging aware ka sa mga bagay na kumbaga paniniwalaan mo. So let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Eight of Swords, no? Napapalibutan ka ng toxicities, no? Napapalibutan ka ng mga negativities. Mga toxic person, toxic environment. So there's a Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka ng stress, depression, anxiety, sleepless night, not because of around you, no? Dahil sa mga nasa paligid mo. Additional, so there's the Five of Pentacles, so there's a financial crisis. So some of you, nakakaranas ka ng financial loss, or either nabudol ka, no? Kumaga naloko ka, ganon. Additional messages about sa career. About sa career mo, there's the Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance, maaaring lumago o lumakas naman ang iyong finances. And there's an Ace of Wands for a new beginning. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula daw dito. Okay? So, pagdating sa love life, let's see. So, there's on the Three of Cups. So, there's a third party. So, ibig sabihin, mag-ingat ka ha. Maaring there's a toxic family here with the Moon card, the truth reveal. Na makikilala mo tong mga tao na to. Na maaring, kumbaga, may, kumbaga, ayaw sa'yo ng mga pamilya nito. Parang ganun na sa sense ko. No? There's a third party involved. Okay. Additional messages. Additional messages about sa health. So, there's a judgment, no? Three Pentacles, collaborations. Iwasan mo tong, there's something, kumbaga, collaboration with your friends, no? Something na parang inaaya ka, no? This is the wake of call na kailangan mo umiwas sa alak, sa sigarilyo, or something na, kumbaga, addictions, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay na nakakasama sa'yo. Marami kasing way ng addictions, like, addict ka sa pagkain na ganito, kumbaga, mahilig ka kumain ng ganyan, kumbaga, kailangan mo umiwas, diba? Sa mga bagay na alam mong nag-trigger sa health issues mo. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages? Busy ako. Magical fairy messages represent what? Practice, practice, practice. So, kailangan mo mag-enhance your abilities, no? Kailangan mong palakasin at pagyabungin ng iyong kakayanan, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? And there's a twin flame energy, no? Twin flame kayo na person mo. So, maaaring, kumbaga, talagang nagtagpo talaga to each and every one. And there's a receive and often, no? Kumbaga, handa ka ng tumanggap at handa kang bigyan. Pagkalooban. Additional messages. So, there's a dark, and of course, a dark side, and the dark night, and the shadow side. So, there's the moon card for sinasabi dito na maraming matutuklasan or may mga bagay na malalaman ka, no? Sa sarili mo at sa taong mahal mo or sa mga nasa paligid mo. Ibig sabihin, pumasok sa isang relasyon na, kumbaga, hindi mo lubos na kilala. Or either, maaring, kumbaga, itong tao na to bigla nagbago, yung dahil sa mga relatives nila. I think ganon. So, parang kamag-anak nila, no? There's something toxic family. What is Archangel Michael messages? Archangel Michael messages sa spring. So, there's something of bloom na maring yumabong na ang iyong finances, no? Ang iyong career. One more card for magical fairy messages. And there's an express your individuality, no? Ipakita mo sa kanila yung sarili mong kakayanan, no? Kung paano mo, kumbaga, anong merong sa'yo or gandang, alam mong, kumbaga, may katangian ka o kakayanan ka sa sarili mo na alam mo doon ka mag-grow, diba? Kumbaga, parang minamaliit ka dito mga tao na to. Parang ganun yun sa sense ko dito, guys. So, let's see what is Angel's answer. So, what is the Angel's answer? Angel's answer, there's a yes, no? There's a possible yes sa mga question mo, gusto mong malaman, there's a yes. And there's a romance, no? May pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig talagang, there's a something connection. And maraming opportunity papasok sa'yo. Kaya kapit ka lang. So, let's see what is the energy, guys. Let's see what is the energy. And there is a 4 chakra Archangel Raphael for healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito. And there's a broken heart. So, see, sabi ko na eh. There's just an insecurities or something, kumbaga nasasaktan ka, ganon. And of course, there's something at the temple path, discoveries, marami ka pang madidiscover. And there's a blossoming abundance. So, pagdating sa career mo or pagdating sa finances mo, magbubloom yan. Huwag ka mag-alala. Kapit ka lang dyan. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael, messages for you. The person that you're asking is about trustworthy, no? Kumbaga, yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, yung taong kinakausap mo, yung mapagkakatiwalaan. And of course, there's a you and your loved ones are safe. No? Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, mapagkakatiwalaan. And of course, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, ay maaaring safe din, diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And the magworm. So, there's a right passage, no? Makakapasa ka sa hamon na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Kumbaga, there's a struggling, pero at the same time, para makakapasa ka dyan sa mga pagdadaanan mo. Journey mo yan eh, pero kumbaga, at the end of the time, magiging maayos din yan. And there's something, enjoy your life from the fullest. Mag-enjoy ka sa kung ano man na meron ka ngayon. Kailangan mo lang makawala dyan sa toxic family. And there is a boundary. See, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries. Hindi mo dapat hinahayaan tapak-tapak nila yung pagkatao mo. Ganon. The romance angels represent what? Deception. See, there's a false mask, no? Kumbaga may pagdating sa inyong relasyon, may mga tao dyan na hindi totoo, no? Napakitan tao lang. May mga tao dyan na parang sinusulsulan yung person mo. What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Nothing is yet set in stone. So, may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. And there's an adjustment are required. So, kailangan mo mag-adjust. Diba? Hindi kailangan mag-i-open sa kanila, guys. No? I-secure mo yung sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangan sila i-please. Kasi pag ayaw nila sa'yo, kahit anong gawin mo, ayaw talaga nila sa'yo. Diba? Hanap lang yan ng mga kamalian mo. Kaya kailangan mong dumistansya sa mga taong toxic na yan. And there's a release. No? Kailangan mapakawalan. No? Yung bigat ng yung nararamdaman at magpakalayo-layo. And there's a vanity. See, I told you, yung mga bisyo, mga hindi magagandang gawain na nakakasama sa iyong health, iwasan mo. And there's a something trickery, no? Meron dito manluloko or maaaring mabudol ka, mag-ingat ka. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit. For Angel Spirit, guide, please give information. So, there's an envy, drama. No, maraming drama dyan sa paligid mo, especially yung toxic family, ma-drama, and there's a discipline. So, kailangan mo na disiplina, and there's a death card for an ending and a new beginning. So, may mga bagay na kailangan nang tapusin. No? Wala lang paligoy-ligoy pati, tapusin mo na, lumayas ka na dyan, magpakalayo-layo ka. Ganon. O yung ibig sabihin, kung ayos mama ng person mo, o, di magsama-sama kayo. Amen. Ganon yun. Diba? Kumbaga, kung talagang kayo. And of course, there is the portal. Diba? Kumbaga, you decide, and there's a reward. No? And there's a door are opening. So, magbubukas sa panibagong chapter pagdating sa buhay mo ngayon. And there's the golden children for rare gifts, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay o regalo sa iyo ang universe na kakaiba. No, karanasan man yan, experiences or challenges, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, it's an opportunity. Additional messages for Angel Spirit. And there's a counseling, so kailangan mo makinig sa advices, something Angel Spirit guides, no? And of course, there's a writing. So, ikaw ay magsusulat ng sarili mong pahina. No? Pagandahan niya ng kwento. Kung ikaw ay alam mong pangit na, pagandahin mo na. No? So, let's see what is Archangel Michael, Raphael messages. Call upon your Archangel for help. So, kailangan mo na tulong ni Archangel Raphael for healing. And there's a yes. No? Maring bibigyan katuparan yung mga kagalingan. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quote said, Angel Spirit, Jesus loving quote said, He that believe on me, the works that I do shall he do, and the greater works that shall he do, because I go to my Father. So kung naniniwala ka sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, ipagkakaloob niya kung karapat dapat sa iyo. So kumbaga, may mga bagay dyan na gawin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo nakakabuti at makakabuti sa iyo at alam mong may kumbaga takot ka sa Diyos, no? Gawin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong mabuti, no? Kung ito ay kahit na alam mong masama at hindi gusto nila, hayaan mong gawin yung mga bagay na alam mong mabuti para sa iyo, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan i-fleece, hindi mo kailangan i-stop yung mga gusto mo, just do it on yourself, 'di ba? Maraming tao nga hadlangan, tututulan yung mga gusto mong gawin. Kung alam mong ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos yan, gawin mo, 'di ba? So let's see what is the angel's number. 0505 ay unexpected gift, no? And an unexpected shift. Divine intervention, paalala ng ating divine. Hi, this is a number serves as a gentle nudge to pursue whatever interests you most. It's possible that something could rock your boat, but you end up exactly where you belong, which could be in somebody arms your dreams, job, and abroad, etc. So see, kumbaga maraming taong susubukang kumbaga buwagin, susubukang pabagsakin, susubukang kumbaga guluhin yung mga plano o gagawin mo sa buhay. Ikaw yung gagawa ng isang bagay na ikabubuti mo, or kung gusto mong matupad yan, i-pursue mo, no? Para sa ikauunlad mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. Achievement, step by step. So, sinasabi nila achievement dito, as I advance at the road towards achievement, I discover my greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe that in my truest potential, today I have faith in my abilities in myself. I move forward towards the fulfillment of my visions. I reach my objective. I am courageous. I embrace life. I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. So see, kumbaga unti-unti mo to pa rin yung mga pangarap mo, no? Mabagal man sa ngayon, pero alam mo sigurado kumbaga makakarating ka hanggang dulo, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangan makinig sa kanila. Kung alam mo sa sarili mo na nasa tamang proseso ka, do it on yourself. Do it what you want. Do it on your own. Ganon. So guys, this is special gabay for the month of May 25 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo na Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.